Students, how are you? I hope you all are safe. So this is class for 5th standard. So all of you open your books, page number 67. So this is our first chapter, large numbers. So today topic is international system. Before that we have to learn about in the previous class ascending order, descending order, successor, predecessor, less than, greater than, some of the problems. So today topic is international system. So what is the international system? Except India. What Nana? Except India and some other Asian countries, the another place value system is called international place value system. International place value system. This system is not the much difference in our system. The system is not much difference in our system. So according to this system, so here ones, thousands, millions. Ones, thousands, millions. So commas are put after three places. Commas are put after three places. For example, commas are put after three places. 1, 2, 3. So right to, starting from right to left. Start from right to left. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So this like, okay. So here ones divided into three parts. Ones, tens, 100, and thousands divided into three parts. 1,000, 10,000, and 100,000s, and millions also divided into three parts. So 1 millions and 10 millions, 100 millions. So what is the difference between international system in our system? So in the India system, ones, thousands, lakhs, crores. Ones, thousands, lakhs, crores, and here international system, ones, thousands, millions. So some of small difference. Okay. So here, so listen careful, Nana. Ones, tens, 100, and thousands, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000s, and millions. So 1 millions and 10 millions and 100 millions. So ones, thousands, millions called period. Ones, thousands, millions are called period, and ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million, 10 millions, 100 millions are called places, place values. Okay, this is our international. This is international system. So here is the sum of example, how it is write, how it is read. Okay, so 9, 3, 6, 7, 8, 5, 4, 1. Okay, I will explain. So 9, 3, 6, 7, 8, 5, 1, 4. So 4 ones place and 1 tens place, 5 hundreds, 100s place, and 8 1,000s place, and 7 10,000s place, and 6 100,000s place, and 3 1 millions place, and 9 10 millions per 10 millions place. So how it is read? 93,678,000 and 514. I will repeat it again. 93,678,514. And next example, 56708,168. So 8 ones place, 6 tens place, and 1 100s place, and 8 1,000s place, and 0 10,000s place, and next 7 hundreds place, and 6 1 millions place, and 5 10 millions place. So how it is read? 56,708,168. I will repeat it again. 56,708,168. So this is the international system. This is the international system. Next, So here 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. And next 10 lakhs is equal to 1 million. And 1 crore is equal to 10 millions. So this is our Indian system. So this is international system. 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. 1 lakh is equal to 100,000 and 10 lakhs is equal to 1 million. 10 lakhs is equal to 1 million and here 1 crore is equal to 10 millions. 1 crore is equal to 10 million. So this is our Indian system and this is international system. And next page, turn your page number 69. Question part 1.3. Question 10 1.3. First bit. First problem 8 0 8 1 4 8 3. So first question and second question 6 3 6 0 7 2 8 4. I already told you commas are put after every 3 places. Every 3 places starting from the right to left. Right to left. So 3 gap nana. How many numbers? 1 2 3. And here 1 2 3. Commas are put after every 3 places. Every 3 places starting from the right to left. 1 2 3 comma and 1 2 3 comma. Okay. And second example 1 2 3 comma 1 2 3. Okay. Remaining 2. Okay. This is our first bit problems. Next second bit. Second bit. Write the place values of the underlying digits according to the international system. So 8 9 6 5 2 0. So here is 6 underline and first problem. Second one 7 2 1 5 4 3. Okay, 7 underline. So read with me Nana. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. So 6,000. Okay, here. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 7 lakh. So sorry Nana, 7 million. So okay, so 7 million. Okay, 3 4 5 2 1 7 and 7 million. So next third bit. A 1 million how many lakhs? And next B 100,000 lakh. So I told you Nana 1 million how many lakhs? 1 million 10 lakhs. How many lakhs? 10 lakhs. And next 100,000. How many lakhs? 1 lakh. 1 million 10 lakhs and 100,000 1 lakhs. So this is our class today. So next class will be on tomorrow. Until then, bye bye.